It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan ranch dressing, and the base of that is going to be shelf-stable silken tofu. So let's get started. Once you have silken tofu, lemon juice, and vinegar in your blender, simply blend this until it is very smooth. Remember, don't add the herbs at this point because we want to stir those in. All of my herbs and spices are mixed together, and I will often make 8 batches of that and put it in a canning jar with the recipe on the jar. That way everything's measured out and I can quickly make this recipe at any given time. Now put the herbs in your bowl and make sure that it's all mixed together and there are no little hard clumps of, say, garlic powder or onion powder. Once you have your herbs mixed together, it's time to simply pour in the blended tofu and just stir it up to make a nice, creamy, delicious mixture. Look at the nice texture this has. It's thick, it's creamy, and you're going to find it oh so delicious. I had made this dressing a few days ago, and I want to show you that the consistency gets a little bit thicker if it sets overnight in the fridge or a few nights in the fridge. So to bring a conclusion to this video, here's a baked potato with some salt and pepper on it, and you can see just how wonderful that's going to be. A nice salad. I do want to give you a tip about salads. When you are cutting them up, if you soak them in vinegar water or in lemon juice, it'll keep them from browning. And also I wanted to show you a little plate that could be a nice little vegetable plate. Hope you enjoy this video, and I hope that you try the recipe and find great results. See you next time.